Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2014 Toyota Sienna. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pick up the battery and put it into the battery bay. There is the group size in case you need it. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this battery clamp and just move it out of the way. Put our battery in there. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this clamp back down. Right on the side right there, there's a little hook or a little hole that you could put in this hook. See if we can fit it. Come on. You almost got it. I might need both hands. Alright, and there it is. And I'm going to go ahead and just loosen it up a little bit. That way it can sit just perfectly on here. That actually sits pretty good. As soon as we put this clamp down, it should be nice and secure. So I'm actually going to go ahead and grab the screw. Put the screw into its place and go ahead and secure it down. The tools that you're going to be needing will be a 10mm socket, and let's go ahead and tighten up the battery clamp first. Then we'll do the battery terminals. Once you have this clamp secured, the battery is nice and tight, we're going to go ahead and remove these terminal caps. We're going to go ahead and put in the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and secure the positive and the negative terminal. You could do the positive first or the negative. Really up to you. Just be careful not to touch any metal. Or you could do the positive one first and then the negative. Once you have the positive secure, let's go ahead and cap this off like so. We'll go ahead and secure this negative one now. There it is. You're set. Let's go ahead and give it a try and start it up. Alright, here we go. Everything lights up. Nice. Let's go ahead and crank it over. And there she is. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.